Alright, boys and girls, we don't normally do videos with this particular device, but we're going to do them today. What we have for sale, and we're going to post it everywhere, eBay, the marketplaces, offer up wherever we can. First is this freshly built, and when I say freshly, I mean inside and out Galaxy Saturn Turbo. Now, the buttons have been soaked. You can see they're nice and like bright white. The face, this is the way we got this radio as far as cosmetics go. And I did not go through the trouble of really getting nuts on the face because it is a very old radio with a very new inside. It has a new amp on the factory heat sinks in the back. The power supply is the new 40 amp switch. 40 amp switch mode supply, so it weighs about half as much as it did and still has plenty of current. This one has the modulation meter added to it, the mod for like the 2990 set, but they work a little different in here. Our Echo board is new, our digitizer board is new, our main board inside is new. So this is a basically brand new radio. Now, without our Birdcage line, we have it set up to run the big amp on the bottom. So we take this all the way up to the 10 watt dead key. Get two hands to run a key with my knees here. Turn it all the way down. Kill the mic gain. About a 5 watt dead key. And then if we go to the next scale, how's it happen? Next scale, 100 watts. If we turn it all the way up, gives us a nice 25 watt dead key. Now from there, we'll go to the 100 watt scale and modulate it. We're going to take it all the way back down to a 5 watt dead key. Audio. We got it set to stop right now at about 150, but now if we give it more RF power here, say we go halfway, 200. So that's what the radio is doing in and of itself. Now I like to run this all the way down. So now let's get to our Birdcage. Now right now it is sitting at what we call idle or in standby. And when it is sitting like this, it has no high voltage. And you'll notice the lamp is not lit up on the meter. So let's start at the beginning. First thing you do is turn the amp on like it is now. So right now it's sitting. So right now it's sitting, the filaments are lit. It's doing its thing, waiting to go. When we turn this on, our 12 volts pops in. All that lights up. Now we've already tuned the amp. So now with a 5 watt dead key and 175 watts of swing, with the amp on, now we're going to read the total top scale here. Ooh, total top scale. We should be coming up right about in here somewhere on peak. 1650 watts with this turned all the way down. But now let's turn this up just a little bit. Yeah. Damn near hit the 1200 mark. So this is what's for sale, guys. This amplifier. We have the cover getting redone at a body shop, so when we get the cover back, and if somebody buys it up, we'll go pick the cover up and bring it out. It's a regular JB12 cover. This was a JB12 case, but as you can see, look at the pictures, it is not a JB12 anymore. This is one of our new amps. So this amplifier with a new case, new tubes, new transformers. By the way, that is a Heathkit SB220 transformer, and individual 20 amp 5 volt transformers to run the tubes. Okay. Something else you'll notice about this unit. Let's have some fun. Okay. We just sit here and let's turn it back on. Now we just sit here and talk. Now we're keyed. Now we watch those tubes. You see, they're not sharing a bit. Now I'm not going to unkey nothing. We're going to stay keyed. There we go. There you see it right there. Audio. Steadily banging up around 1500 watts. Right now we got a little bit of a squeal. There we go. 1750. Now you notice this whole time we have not unkeyed. Look at those tubes. There is no cherrying on those tubes except for the filaments. We haven't unkeyed yet. We're still keyed. Ladies and gentlemen, this amplifier is healthy as a horse and has a warranty. This unit with a new cover, which is coming. This freshly built Galaxy Saturn Turbo with a dual final main board and a brand new 2290 amp inside on the back. This unit and this unit with AD104 is $2,500, gentlemen. It is not to be broken up. It is for sale, and it is for sale now. So, if you want to get a full station, get up to a 2,000 watt range of peak. It does a kilowatt RMS all day long. So there you go. Now the test center is not included in this, and neither is the Kenwood. Right. So the Galaxy Saturn Turbo with the fancy key up indicators. Okay. And our triplet. Watch the meter on this triplet. I don't know if this camera's going to allow us to see it. See how that meter moves and jumps back. How tight it is. There we go. Now that's not because it's stuck. That's because that's a quality movement from third. Because that's a quality movement from 30 years ago. So there it is, boys and girls. $2,500 gets the Birdcage 2, gets the Birdcage 1000, freshly built, fresh everything inside, and the Galaxy Saturn Turbo with a warranty, everything new inside, digitizer, main board, meters, funky keying lamp circuit. And we will supply you with a D104 with this if you buy both pieces. Both pieces are not to be broken up. We are not going to break these up. If you want one, you got to buy them both. So there we go, $2,500, guys. You're not going to do better for that kind of money and say from your asshole to your elbow is all 409 and ready to rock. So consider that. That in and of itself is worth the price of admission, and 90% of you watching this video know that. So God bless, stay safe, stay away from that freaking Chinese COVID shit. Keep safe. 7-3.